In this video, I'm going to be answering the question on which app can borrow me 200k in Nigeria. There are a lot of loan apps in Nigeria today that can actually borrow you money without stressing yourself. But then, which of them is actually legit that can actually borrow you real money in Nigeria? So we're gonna be looking into the apps that can borrow you 200k, 300k in Nigeria, or which app can loan or which loan app can give you up to 300k and 200k in Nigeria. So we're going to look into that in this video, and also I believe at the end you'll be able to pick one or two loan apps in Nigeria that you will be interested in testing out and see if you will be qualified for their loan. So the first loan app you're going to be looking into in this video is WeCredit. WeCredit is a fast and rising loan app in Nigeria where you can get a loan of up to 200,000 naira and even more. And you can see right here, WeCredit have over 42,000 reviews, and the overall rating is 4.4, which is quite amazing. And if you scroll to the snapshot right here, you're gonna see that the maximum amount is 200,000 naira, and then you see the interest rate for 0.49% per day. And also you can see need money we disburse quickly, no collateral, no collection calls, no salary slip, no bank statement, no income proof required before you will be able to get a loan from the platform. So you can see no collateral, no paperwork, personal loan app made for you if you are interested in getting a loan. And their loan tenure for between 91 days to 120 days, which is 6 months. So it's quite amazing if you will be interested in getting a loan from WeCredit, and you're gonna send money directly to your bank account under 24 hours. The next loan app we're gonna be looking into in this video, Palm Credit, is also an amazing loan app that you can use to borrow money, and you can get a loan of up to 200k, 300k, and even more on Palm Credit. As you can see right here on the snapshot, it also says that you can borrow up to 800,000 naira. Loan is easier than you think. Only need is your smartphone and the Palm Credit app. So you can see right here up to 800,000 naira. You can see a long time repayment within 91 days to 365 days, and also only a few minutes required to get a loan. Disburse your loan into your account under 24 hours. So you can get a loan of up to 800,000 naira with quick approval, and you can see simple loan step to get a loan from their platform: 300,000, 500,000, and also 800,000 naira. So you can check out Palm Credit on Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and I believe you'll be able to borrow money from their platform. And if you check on their total review, you're gonna see that they have over 176,000 reviews, and their overall rating is 4.2. Palm Credit has been in the system for a while, and trust me, they're actually doing so good on the platform. So you can check them out and let us know in the comment section if you are able to borrow money from them. The next one in this video is Branch. Branch is another loan app with multi users. Like, they have multiple function features inside their app. You can also save money and earn interest with Branch. Branch is actually a fast rising app that have grown beyond. As you can see right there, they have over 1 million reviews, and their overall rating is 4.4, which is quite amazing. And you can see the inside of the app. You can see better than you think, up to 15,000 naira inside as they show on the snapshot. And you can borrow and earn interest of up to 15% on your savings annually. So you can see how they explain how everything works for fixed investment. You also see cashback on bills payment, seamless transfer, and top up bonus, which is quite amazing. You can also see low interest loan on up to 500,000 naira, which means you can get a loan of 200,000 naira and even 300,000 naira on the platform. and they also have a very low interest rate. You can also get their card maintainer, ATM card that you can use to withdraw at any nearest ATM machine. And to get their ATM card, you have to pay 950 naira. Card insurance and delivery fee is 950 naira. So you can see that's kind of like amount 2000 naira. So you can also see a flexible payment plan that will be more easier for you to pay back the loan you borrow from their platform. You can see speedy customer care support on the app, which is quite amazing. So all these apps are those apps that you can use to get a loan in Nigeria as fast as possible.